How to add or remove voice control to the accessibility shortcut menu on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's return back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And from the home screen, tap on Settings. Then in the Settings page, we scroll down and tap on Accessibility. After that, we scroll down again. And in here, tap on Accessibility Shortcut. Now scroll down to the bottom and then tap on Voice Control. Tap on the Voice Control menu item to select it or deselect it. When you select the voice control and when you open up your accessibility shortcuts menu, it will be added to the menu in here. And here is voice control. So to remove it from the menu, just deselect voice control. And if you triple click on the sub button, this will open up the accessibility shortcuts menu, and you can see voice control has been removed from the menu. And that's it. After, you can tap on the back key or swipe up to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.